Welcome back to Bike Buzz and your go-to channel for all things motorcycle. Today, we're diving into the iconic Yamaha RD125LC, a bike that has left a significant mark on the world of two-stroke motorcycles. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, this video will give you an in-depth look at what makes this bike so special. The legacy of the RD series, the Yamaha RD125LC, is part of the legendary RD series, known for its racing pedigree and exceptional performance. Introduced in the early 1980s, the RD125LC was Yamaha's response to the growing demand for a small displacement, high-performance bike. The LC stands for liquid-cooled, a feature that set it apart from many competitors at the time. Engine and performance at the heart of the RD125LC is a 123cc, single-cylinder, two-stroke engine. This engine was capable of producing around 21 horsepower, impressive for a 125cc bike. The liquid cooling system helped maintain optimal performance even under hard riding conditions. The bike's power band was lively, providing a thrilling ride for those who dared to push it to its limits. Design and aesthetics, the RD125LC features a distinctive design that blends sporty lines with practical elements. Its aggressive stance, coupled with the iconic Yamaha racing colors, made it a head-turner. The fairing and bodywork were not just for show, they helped improve aerodynamics and provided better protection for the rider. Handling and ride quality. One of the standout features of the RD125LC is its handling. The bike was equipped with a lightweight frame and a well-tuned suspension system, making it agile and responsive. Whether you were navigating tight city streets or carving through twisty back roads, the RD125LC offered a ride quality that was both fun and confidence-inspiring. Popularity and cultural impact. The RD125LC quickly gained popularity among young riders and enthusiasts. It became a symbol of freedom and speed, often being the first real motorcycle for many. Its performance on the track and on the streets earned it a loyal following, and it remains a beloved classic to this day. Maintenance and upkeep. Owning an RD125LC today means understanding the importance of maintenance. As with any two-stroke engine, regular care is crucial to keep it running smoothly. This includes routine checks of the cooling system, frequent oil changes, and ensuring the carburetor is properly tuned. Finding parts can be a bit challenging, but the community of RD enthusiasts is always ready to help. Conclusion: the Yamaha RD125LC is more than just a motorcycle, it's a piece of motorcycling history. Its combination of performance, design, and cultural impact has secured its place as an icon. Whether you're a nostalgic rider looking to relive the glory days or a new enthusiast curious about the past, the RD125LC is a bike that deserves recognition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzzin' for more content on classic and modern motorcycles. Ride safe and keep buzzing.